It was the Temptations that sang, "Beauty is only skin deep." Now, according to this product, that's a good thing. Let's find out why on this episode of TimberTips. Tacoma-based Rainier Plank slogan is, "It's what's on the outside that counts." That's because their engineered wood cladding takes the highest possible grade domestic woods and turns them into a veneer. By doing that, they get 16 vertical grain boards out of a single 1-inch full thickness board, which cuts down on cost and makes it easier to get compared to full thickness vertical grain cedar or Doug Fir. As you can see, once Rainier Plank is installed, you're never going to know that it's not a full thickness board. So does it make sense to pay a premium for 90% of the board that you're never going to see? That's up to you. Rainier Plank's commercial adhesive goes through a boil test, and their products have a 10-year limited warranty. Their products are made in the USA, and they come in a variety of species, profiles, and dimensions. You can find all of that information on rainierplank.com or timbertown.com. We'll put links in the description below. Oh, and by the way, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I'm Ben Roberts, and I'll see you next time on TimberTips.